What's she doing? The mess has contained itself in the hamper. What are you doing? Oh, goodness. Hello. Did you contain yourself in the hamper? Hey, who's a silly baby? You. Are you the silly baby? What are you doing? What are you doing? You put yourself in the hamper? That's where the dirty clothes are supposed to go. Of course, you're the one that makes all the dirty clothes, so I guess that makes sense, huh? Hmm. Who's silly?
Oh, yeah?